Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT Technology Entertainer. Today in this tutorial of Joseph IT, I'm going to show you how to use an image in the middle of MS Word text or how to text wrap around an image easily. So first of all, I'm going to Microsoft Word and there you'll be able to find so many writings, and I'm just going to simply insert image in the middle of these texts. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I need an PNG image, a backgroundless image. Okay, so this is the image, has no background in it, and if you don't know how to remove background from any image, then you can simply follow my video from the description. I have given you the link there. Okay, you can try it and can remove background from an image online. Okay, I'm just going to use this image. It is PNG image, transparent, and dragging this image to there. You can also insert. Okay, so as you can see, it is not being in the middle of the text. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the image and going to format and then wrap text and then clicking on tight. And as you can see that after clicking there, the image looks like this. Now you can move it according to yours. Okay, and now a little bit changes. If you want those text to be more closer, then what you have to do, go to format again, wrap texts, and click on edit wrap points. Now you'll be able to find some points there. What you have to do, you just have to drag the points to make the writings closer. As you can see, the writings are being closer. It's up to you the way you want. Okay, so as you can see, within some simple clicks, I made text wrap around the image easily. And by this way, you can place all the image you want in Microsoft Word and can use it. And lastly, I think you really found this useful. If you have any question, any query, then please feel free to contact us on the comment box. Like the video, share your experience, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.